Hello and welcome to Allskin School of Hair and Beauty London, where we are dedicated to providing the highest quality training in men's hair cutting and shape hairline techniques. Our courses are designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to become a successful hairstylist and create stunning looks for your clients. We offer a range of courses to suit your needs and aspirations. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hairstylist looking to refine your skills, our trainers are all highly skilled and experienced professionals who will guide you through each step of the process, ensuring you receive the best possible education. So, if you're ready to take your hairstyling career to the next level, why not enroll now at Allskin School of Hair and Beauty London? Our courses are competitively priced, and we offer various funding options to make studying with us more affordable. Plus, with our state-of-the-art training facilities, practical teaching methods, and supportive learning environment, you'll be well equipped to succeed in the hairstyling industry. Enroll now at Allskin School of Hair and Beauty London.